So if you ever experience knocking somewhere and you cannot find the issue, like all the parts seem fine, spray some black paint on, could be any color, you know, anywhere, and on the suspension, around bushes, this and that. And if something is moving, you will find out, like looking here, this ball was playing, it was making noise, but it's very hard to find out because when you put something in here to check, it doesn't really move. So yeah, this was making noise of the car. Now everything is sorted. Thanks for watching. Any problems, any help, please subscribe and message me. Thank you, bye.